day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our DT Watch X, marketed as the DT Watch 10. And this smartwatch is a 10th anniversary edition of the DT Watch X. The first DT Watch X is a circular in design. So this one, it is somewhat like Apple Watch inspired design. Beautiful looking smartwatch with a premium body frame. And as you can see here, we do have an AMOLED screen. Very sharp, clear, and with very responsive menus. On this video, we are going to pair it with the support app. As you can see here, it is running the Wear Pro operating system. And the support app is the Wear Pro application. Okay, it's a pretty popular application, very stable, and we'll pair it with our smartwatch here, the DT Watch 10. So if you are interested to see on how to pair this wearable with its support app, the Wear Pro, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin to pair the DT Watch X with the Wear Pro support app. So we are already familiar with the application, so we'll not scan the QR code. Instead, we are going to just search it on Google Play. So let's search Wear Pro. We do have here the Wear Pro app, and as you can see, we do have 5 million plus downloads. That's a very good number of downloads for a support app, Wear Pro. Just 57.10 MB in size. So very lightweight support app that is available on Android and the iOS platform. Okay, so it has finished downloading and it's now installing the support app Wear Pro on our Android smartphone. So let's wait for it to finish, and it is now installed. Okay, so let's start. Open the app. So we have here a privacy policy service agreement. Agree to it. Allow Wear Pro to send you notifications. We'll allow this one. Okay, so we can sign up using third-party login, as you can see here. You can also use your email. In our case, we are going to use the guest mode. Log in successfully. Okay. So next step, name. We'll just use any other name here, fictitious name. Okay, then enter the app. So we have here our application. We have the dashboard. As you can see, we have the health, exercise, device, and me. To add your smartwatch, tap on device. As you can see here, we have an option to search or scan. Okay, so tap on search add. Again, we are going to use this one. Okay, instead of scanning the QR code, we'll do the traditional way of pairing the smartwatch. So search add. Let's see. So we do have here M41, the smartwatch, the Allen Curve GTS3 Pro. Is this our smartwatch? Let's see. Okay. Information we do have here. Okay. The Bluetooth address 50 CO F2 16 and 0 C0. So this is the smartwatch. So let's connect to our smartwatch. And it's now pairing. Bluetooth connection is successful. Are we connected? Okay, let's see. Synchronize data successfully. Finish. Let's see. Okay. Pair smartwatch. And I think we are paired. Okay. As you can see here, we are connected. Allow access to contacts. We'll allow it. Allow access to messages. So these are permissions. Allow it. So we have successfully paired our smartwatch with the Wear Pro application. As you can see, very easy. No issues at all. Very easy to connect. And seems like it is stable so far. Okay, so let's activate the incoming calls. Let's have the basic setup. Allow Wear Pro to access your phone call logs. We'll allow it. Allow Wear Pro to access your contacts. Allow it. Make and manage phone calls. Allow it. Then for the SMS, it's also activated. Allow Wear Pro to send and view SMS messages. Okay. App notifications. Again, these are the preliminary setup for the features of your smartwatch. So for notification access, you need to allow the Wear Pro to receive notifications. So look for the Wear Pro app, then activate. Allow. Okay, activated. Then you can choose your favorite applications. Okay, if you want to receive notifications from Spotify, you can do that here. Okay, go back. Then continue. And seems like everything's okay. As you can see here, device status, incoming calls is activated. SMS notifications is activated, and app notifications. And I guess our Bluetooth call is already set. Okay, we are already paired. Add contacts. Let's see. Tap on add contacts. We'll pick this one. Add to. Then sync to watch. And I guess we are connected. Let's see. Call contacts, and we have here our contacts. Okay, so everything is set. We have successfully paired our DT Watch 10th anniversary edition to the Wear Pro Support App. So if you are struggling to pair your smartwatch or to connect with the support app on the Android platform, you can drop a queries below. Drop a question, a comment, and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.